the next set of boxes all seem to have the same branding on them, so I'm guessing that the next series of boxes you're going to see will all be related somehow to kitchen. So let's start with this one. As you can see, it's got this hanging kitchen motif on it, so I think we know what's in there. Okay, great. We have a box with a box inside. And inside this smaller box is a stainless steel dish tray. So that dish tray fits on it's got a plastic drip tray that slides into it, and it's got hopefully hanging rails and pins and all kinds of, here's the locks, here's the guards. So my guess is it goes this way. It sure does. All the way through. Of course, it would stop on the backing. There. That's how it looks. And I'm not quite sure what this is for. I'm going to have to figure out how to get those out because I don't think they stay there. They look like they've been locked together somehow. The bar unscrews, so you slide them in. Yeah, you probably need to disassemble this a little bit to get it to work correctly. So we'll do that when we install the kitchen. And we'll put this little locking tabs there. So that's what's in that box, is a tray for dishes. Beautiful, great. Let's put it back in the plastic. Give it some measure of protection. Also give Mrs. Maker an unboxing of her own. And after all, this is her kitchen. Okay, and what's in this box, squished as it is? Let's find out. Okay. And this opens like that, and this looks familiar. So let's see what we've got in here. Looks like Mrs. Maker bought 2 of those thingies. Oh, this one's a little different. It looks like it holds bowls, maybe. Curved. Same general assembly, looks like. Yes. Got the locks. Yes. So that holds bowls. My guess is the other one is meant to hold plates. We shall find out. Let's put this back together. And put it in a box for Mrs. Maker to open. So, that means 2 more. Oh, nope. What is this? It's soft. Aha, yes, I know what this is. We just got a brand new washing machine. And this is the cover for the washing machine. It is a washing machine cover because the washing machine is outside and we want it to stay nice looking and not get yellowed in the sun and rained on, leaves fall on it. So we're going to cover it when we don't use it. Super duper. Great. Here's one more big box. What is in here? Piece of styrofoam and a bunch of panels. You know what this is? The backing plate for the kitchen. That's what all those accessories you just saw hang off of. And buried down in this box are two other smaller boxes. Here's one. And here's another. Now that box is empty. So let's see what's in this little guy. Gloves and some screws and anchors. Okay. Guessing these are sharp. That's why they gave gloves. And what's in here? Ah, okay. Another tray. This one looks like it holds, I don't know, something. Maybe spices. It's a little deep for spices, but that's its purpose. So hold spices. Okay. Did you get a good look at that? Let's get this box out of the way. That's a kind of like a spice racky type of thing. Let's get this out of the way. There we go. How's that look? Yeah, it's a spice racky thingy. This is one steel plate. All right. So let's put the spice rack on top of the other goodies from Mrs. Maker. There's the lock. It holds it in place. And then there's this really heavy box, which I suspect is holding all of the other steel stuff. There we go. Let's see what's in here. We have a box within which there is what? A bunch of stuff. Yeah, here's a bunch more of those sides. Little box. And that's it. As far as I can tell. So we have, let's see, 2 more gloves, some more, a whole bunch more anchors. Okay, they can go together. And sides, 1, 2, 3. 3 sides of a certain width. Okay, so that's this particular order is one, two, three, four of these steel wall things. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 boxes of screws and other assorted glovey type things, and a box full of trays for the kitchen. Aside from that, those goodies, here's the trays. Aside from those goodies, we have halogen lights to make the place brighter. We have remote controls to help us run the air conditioners, because none of them can be turned on or off right now. We have capacitors to help fix, and transistor to help fix the wine cooler. And that's the unboxing for today. I hope you enjoyed it. It's going to move these projects forward tremendously. The kitchen is going to be just incredibly different looking once we're done. And I'm really looking forward to getting this stuff installed so you can see it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe. There's lots more coming. People are starting to give me positive feedback, which I enjoy a lot. People are also starting to suggest stuff that I could do, which I also find quite interesting, and eager to give people's opinions a try. So if you have one, let me know. Well, that's it for now. Take care, and keep making.
I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, giving me a like, and leaving me a comment. I really enjoy making these videos, and I want to know from you how I can make them better. The whole point of these videos is to demonstrate that if I can do something, you can do it too. Well, that's it for now. So long, and remember, keep making.